Okay, so this video is looking at doing a regression type question on SPSS. So when you are looking at your question that you're given, if it asks you to make a prediction based on two variables, so like hours of sleep versus resting heart rate, or a quiz on a score on quiz 2 based on the scores on quiz 1, and it wants you to predict something, then you would do a regression. So to do this, you input your data both as scale data. I'm using quizzes for example. So you input your data, both scale, click on Analyze, go to Regression, go to Linear, and then it brings up this page. So when you do this, you want to consider what you're predicting and then also what you definitely know. So your value that you're predicting is going to be your dependent variable. So say we're predicting a score on exam 2, you would drag that over. And then the score that you know is going to go into this second box right here. So you drag that over. And then you can go through here and click other things if you would like other data. So like maybe you want descriptives or you want confidence intervals, just go ahead and click it and then click continue. You can do that all the way down if you want extra things in your output. So once you do that, you click on OK. So it brings up all of this data. However, if you are predicting a value, and that is your question, that's what you are asked to do, you're going to want to come up with a y equals mx plus b equation. So with that, you are essentially making an equation to plug in your x value to solve for it. So you are looking at this unstandardized b column right here. So your slope, so your m, would be your independent value right here. So this 0.123 would be my slope. So you would do 0.123x plus b, and your b value comes from this constant unstandardized b value right here. So if you were looking to predict quiz score B, if you got a 5 on quiz 1, you would plug 0.123 times 5 plus 5.739, and then whatever value you get for y would be your answer. So that is how you utilize and execute the regression tests on SPSS.